is Michele Sepples, Senior Executive Director of the Louisville campus. I'm here at Balfour Cherrywood Village and I'm very excited to share some exciting updates here at the community. As many of you know, back in December we experienced the Marshall fires followed by 2 subsequent floods. With that, the community sustained a pretty substantial amount of damage, and we're very lucky that Balfour has decided to invest over $1 million in bringing our community back up to the Balfour standards and ensuring our residents have a great experience when they return. We're very excited to show off Town Square. As you can see, we're doing some pretty extensive demolition to open up the space, update our colors, and really just bring the community up to a very modern and clean look. We'll be sharing further videos as we continue with the project, but as we continue, we will be opening up our dining rooms, doing a substantial improvement to our bathiques, and doing quite a bit of updating to our color scheme and just general aesthetics of the community. So we're very excited to be heavily engaged in construction and planning to return to the community in October. So we're very hopeful that all of you will come and celebrate with us when it's time, but until then we'll be sharing videos and pictures as we go forward. So thank you very much.